On the previous video I have show you how can you upload the app on Google Play Store. If you don't know how can you upload the on Google Play Store, then you can check out this. After that process, the app will be in review. Actually, I have already done this app for the testing purpose. It is in review. How can I uploaded it previous video? If you don't know, then you can go to my YouTube channel and check the last video, previous video, I think, for the this video. Then the next process I am going to share with you for the, okay, which one, okay, okay, actually I forgot the name of the console account. Okay, I'm going back to this account. Okay, this is the app, and I'm going to this app and going to close test, and it is now released and ready to test, close test actually. Okay, I'm going to then testing tab, and I am going to add my testers list. If you want to test your app, uh, how can you test the app, and if you need 20 testers for your app, please contact with me. I will provide the 20 testers for your app. My contract address and contact information I will put in the description box of the video, and you can check out this and contact with me. Previously I have done lots of account testing. You have seen already on the console account. I am managing lots of console account and testing their app. Okay, I'm just giving my testers list from here. Actually this is the CSV file, and I have a full team for testing the application. Actually there are lots of uh, team members Gmail address actually. Then I am going to save it. After the save it, you can see two link. Actually one is Android and one is web. If I going to copy this, it will redirect to this page and become a tester. If I click this, then it give you this link, and if I go to this copy, and it will go to just Play Store directly actually, right? Okay, it's okay, okay. If I go to this page, okay, here is the issues actually, because the app country is only selected in India. If I select all the country, then it show, because I am from Bangladesh and my testers team, some people are from Bangladesh, some people are from India actually, and I'm going to send the review changes. I think it's take a few minutes for the testing. Then the link will be available from for the Google Play Store, and from this link you can share with the testers, and testers team will download the app on play from the app from the mobile phone, and they will test for 14 days. If you need this service, you can please contact with me. I will provide 20 testers for 14 days testing. And if you want to see previous work of myself, you can see on there. Here is the app I already tested, and it is now production. You can see on the Google Play Store here, and lots of app I am testing. And yeah, yes, this is the app, and I am testing lots of application right now. If I want to share with you this one I am testing, and I think it's 10 days already gone, 11 days already tested, and only 3 days are remaining. After that this app will be also published. Okay, here I can share with you another applications actually. There, I think this one, yeah, this one. Okay, it's 2 days done actually. If you need this service, please contact with me. I will help you to publish the application. Okay, thank you.